Welcome to your daily lifestyle videos update. I'm Ryan, your AI guide. Today we are looking at the 30-day market snapshot for the City of Markham. Sold listings and the average sales price are down for single-family homes over the past 30 days in Markham, with average days on the market at 12 days. The average sale price is $1,680,000. Looking at condos, sold listings and the average sales price are down, with average days on the market up to 24 days. The average sale price of a condo in Markham is $776,000. Enjoy one of the wide selection of videos at lifestylevideos.com. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. Connect with one of our experts today if you are looking to buy or sell your home and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.